Hello everyone, welcome back to Rupesh Saramsati YouTube channel. After a long gap, I am recording again as I have completed a minor project in the next wave course for which the conditions has to be met. 90% of the test case has to be passed and a video has to be submitted. For that I am recording a video. Let's go to the scene and let me show you the code base and the things that I have developed. New intensive course, go to my journey, scroll down a little, React.js mini project, this game, completely case failing, with that I will fix it later. Completion checklist, your own domain, it's important to publish the project, click and play. Yeah, here is a form. Did I publish it? I have to publish it. Okay, let's go in here. This is the quiz game, and already I have opened it previously. I say loading again. The app looks like this. The image address was wrong. That's it. It's showing the art name. Start a quiz. JS is all by Facebook. Right answer. Next. There's a content between constructor React call state for 2. Let's wait for a minute. As you have to see the unanswered questions also in the report page. It's one of the edge case. One of the case. Submitted. 70% is correctly answered. Congratulations. Unanswered with right question. Two task is passed. We were failing what we totally was unable to find a start button script home.html container test ID loaded should be displayed HTTP get request in progress, and here two tasks is failing and the report page is displayed. Few questions are unattended. Then the page should consist of unattended question list with correct answer. It's a list with correct answer. This is the code base and the app.js, the routes were present, and here the game logic goes. Next, it enters login page. We have taken necessary dependencies. Using a password, set show password, and show submit error if any. On change, on modifying it, it takes the username and store it in this state management. Likewise, password also. On click show password, it changes the show password key state here. On submission, it generates a JWT token. This has to be in some hidden text. As it's running application, we are creating using this AWS token. We have to declare it using A and B variables in the real-time code base on submit form. Prevent default to stop reloading of the page on form submission. Fetching the API from here, posting the data that we taken from the user and storing it. Submitting success, it goes there. Error, throws an error. And this field is for input of username, and this one is for password. After it goes to home tab, home page. So the task is facing somewhere here. Let's check the header. Before time I got 11 errors. The cause of that was here I have used li. By replacing this with div, it registered 11 to 3 errors. So it's a fix. Game result. And scrolling it fast as the code has to be not be displayed directly in the code publicly. Page not found. Got it error out. Let's submit the code base. Let's publish it basically. Paste it. Let's use my name and this app. Okay, underscore has to be not there. CCP platform publish. We have to publish this project to the server. The project reference ID is this, and the domain name is this. And saying what is what. CCP is a command interface developed by NextWave core members for checking and testing and all sort of things. Says index and test ID. Yeah, data. Here come. Data got fixed. 57 and 25, line number 57, where it is here. It has to be of type, not row. Here also data has to be added before to this, and let's republish it. We had got published. Let's check it. rupesquizap.ccpp.in. Okay, sorry, dot tech. Copy it. Rahul and Rahul at the rate to 2021. The login. What I have shown previously, it will show displayed here only. Same thing. Same questions. Just for learning purpose only, this one is. If you want to go related, go click on the website logo. If you want to log out, you can click on log out. Images are not enabled. Okay, that's a minor issue. Let's resubmit it once again and check how many issues were there. Let me close this all tabs. Remove this also. It's running the test cases. Okay, same errors. Three-way failed again. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you have seen the process of the QSAP that I developed. I didn't explain it properly. After login in, it takes to the home page. On clicking the start quiz, it opens the quiz panel, giving question and options. This is a default type. The answer is Facebook. Become an expert in question next question. This same as type. The timer runs for 15 seconds. If you click on right answer, if you choose and select an option, it stops the time and there, and next button is activated. In the next question, it won't activate next button unless you select an option or timer runs out. If it goes if the timer goes out, then it will be an unattempted question, which will be seen at the end of the task. One wrong answer and one unattempted. Total 8 will correct. This is of typewriter button, and the respective code is in this one. App.js provides router to every component in the game. This game consists of the options to choose right, wrong, and display the options as accurately as per the default cases, image type, and single select option. The radio buttons which we are seeing here is a single select option. Corridor route is when the user is logged in into that respective account, then only it goes into this page unless or until he logs in. This is security purpose. Not found, as you know, when certain pages are not displayed, it goes to not found, 404 error. Login to log in into your account, but if for the APIs provided some accounts, homepage displays the start button and the things. Other than logout and image page, image to the left and right. Game result, this is the game result page. Before this one, this is the one game result one. It gives congratulations if you score greater than 60 or equal to 60%, it congratulates and gives a respect to number of questions attempted. Otherwise, it shows rules. If you have given less than 16%, the report is what you've seen at the last. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found an useful video on how and QuizApp is developed. Thank you.